I get out of you as well. A good channel I recommend watching for like the stuff I like doing, as I talked about when I did some dodgy electronic product teardowns. Quickly bring you his channel up. I do like these sorts of videos. I don't remember his name. It came up on my homepage on YouTube again. I'll quickly bring it up and show you this guy. Okay, that was John Ward's channel.
Hello, I'm JW, and here's a quick look at some of the things you can find on the...
He's even got electricity meters. Hey, I'm going to watch this one. I just stumbled across this guy the other day, so looks like this guy collects meters. Yeah, definitely worthwhile checking him out. It's got some good stuff. A lot of fellow meter collector. Nice. But yeah, he does all sorts of nasty teardowns. For dodgiest, stinkiest stuff that comes out of the sewers of China. Here's some of the ones I watched. There's what I based my video on. Not the one I've got here. I think that one actually had an earth pin at least, but mine doesn't. I won't overlay my one as such, but yeah. I recommend you watch this guy. It's got some nice old stuff. Product reviews, teardowns of the dirtiest, snottiest things, PC related stuff, which is cool. 2004 PC running 1993 software. Let's see. Nice old wooden fuse box. Yeah, all sorts of cool stuff. Definitely recommend you subscribe. It's got some cool stuff. One of those stupid things. That's one of the dodgiest, most dangerous piece of garbage going on the market there. Watch it. That's worthwhile checking that one out, yeah? Yeah, we are looking at some his media videos shortly. It's interesting, yeah, some of the stuff that comes out of the country over there as well as here. Oh yes, we all know those screwdrivers. Anyway, definitely worth checking him out. I wonder if I can get a Wi-Fi signal off this thing. It said it's a WiMAX Wi-Fi smart meter. And when I did the teardown, it said it was a Wi-Fi module in there. So, I wonder if it's the same sort of signal. Let's see. Let's see if I can search for it. Who else could I find? If it actually turns it on. Let's see if it finds anything else. Nope. I don't think it finds this meter. Just the modem. No, what a meter. No, it's the wrong sort of signal, unfortunately. Bugger. It'd be nice to actually somehow communicate with this meter via its Wi-Fi thing. That's a bit of a shame. Well, I decided to do a good look inside this meter. I want to have a look at the build quality of this thing. I know it is a very good brand, so I was a bit reluctant to cut the seals at first, but oh well. I can always make my own new ones. So let's see how nicely this thing's made inside. Wow, look at that quality. Definitely a very nice meter, the Enermet's. Very good quality stuff. Not sure how this shield comes off. What holds that on, I wonder? Look at that, that's quality in there. Some diodes. There's a clock motors in there. Really good quality capacitors and everything in there. And they're surface mount LEDs, and they've got these clamped over them. That is quality. See if I can pull the rest of it apart carefully. Just inside this meter. That is exceptionally well made. We've got an Elna, very high grade capacitor. A red Elna, 105 degrees Celsius capacitor. A long life RSE. It's a long life capacitor. Now that's how you make capacitors. Most consumer electronics had long life grade capacitors like that. There's an MAV there, some trim, little potentiometers. Trim pot is a brand. And they're used to tweak these motors so that this thing's accurate over time. Nichicons, 25 volt 470 microfarad. Very good quality stuff. And there's the little coils. They're current transformers actually. It's a current transformer type meter. Load goes through those. In there, around the middle bit. By the look of it, there's a tiny thin bit in the middle. It's kind of unusual. And it's got that for all three phases. Whoops, I bent the other end there. Whoops. And there we are. It's kind of like the solid state LCD one, but instead of having the LCD module to drive something to drive an LCD display, it's got this mechanical part. Quick turn. Wow, look at that. Goes backwards, there's no radio reverse in there. That is quality. Very good quality stuff. Although, I think those are actually full-on quartz motors, like what's in that. It goes continuously. It's not a click, click, intermittently click like the Sangamo one is. This actually, I think these actually spin continuously. That's actually, yeah, that actually spins continuously, that motor. It doesn't actually tick over like the Sangamo one does. It actually turns about the speed. So whatever how fast this turns is governed by how much power you're pulling. So it's a synchronous DC clock motor, but it doesn't go tick. It's a quite what do they call it? It's a silent sweep type clock motor. Nice. It's not like the Sangamo ones at all, like I thought it was. So this could be a silent one. It just sits there, turns slowly, continuously. So that's a good idea. But yeah, I'll put it back together now. Doesn't smell of anything inside this one. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.